Why would you write a book if you run a video production company? Well, I think that's a good question, and I've asked myself a few times over the last few months whilst writing my book. But here's the thing, I really enjoy making content. I enjoy making these videos for you. I enjoy writing my social media posts. I enjoy writing my blog posts and my email newsletters. So for me, it's all part of the same thing. It's all creating content that we can put out there that's helpful and useful for everyone. I also enjoy reading books myself. So my bedside table's stacked up with non-fiction books from personal development and business and strategy and YouTube and photography and video and all the rest of it. For me, it felt like a really good idea to bring everything together and put it all into a book. And that's what I've done. So for the past 10 years or so, I've been building this business, Dan Barker Studios. And over that time, myself and my team, we've advised many, many clients on the best things they could do for their business in terms of video. And a lot of people sort of don't realize where they could get started and what they could do and what the possibilities are. So it seemed like a good time to bring all that together and put it into the book for you. So here it is, Manufacturer's Video Content Goldmine, and I've poured everything I can into it. It's full of useful ideas of the types of video you could create, giving you the motivation to go out and do it, get over the excuses for not doing it, and video ideas for every part of your buyer journey, because you might be surprised at where you could implement video in your business. So just a short video today. Just wanted to let you know about the book. It just launched the other week and my thoughts behind it and why I brought it together. We'll drop the link for where you can pick it up on Amazon in the video description. I hope it's useful. Let me know. I'd love to hear your feedback, and we'll catch up soon.